is Michael Farrell. I'm the estate manager at Capital Dock. I represent Aramark property here on the 4.8 acre mixed development site that's home to the likes of JP Morgan, State Street Bank, Indeed, and of course the Capital Dock residents. Over the last 2 years since Capital Dock opened, we've been searching for better ways, more innovative ways to actually improve how we deal with waste on site. We found ourselves steering towards a bio-digestive system. The Harp Renewables NuPlanet system was evidently better. Aramark's sustainability plan is called People Planet. We found very quickly in our discussions with NuPlanet and Harp Renewables that we were very much aligned in our ways of thinking. So this made a really good fit and a really easy transition into moving from just dumping our food waste into let's deal with it here on site, let's reduce it and let's make it a more usable product. And the Bio-Fertiliser product just seems like the exact way we want to deal with our waste.
What I will say about the compost art is it does smell great. They say it smells like a Christmas cake, and I would agree, it smells nice.
It's Christmas every day at Roehampton.
How do you take catering waste and turn it into a valuable resource? One that smells like Christmas cake. With a 54-acre Parkland campus in southwest London, the University of Roehampton is in a unique location. In 2023, the university found an innovative closed-loop solution for their used vegware and food waste, one that smells surprisingly good. This is how they managed it.
So the university is made up of 4 colleges and 2 campuses, and we have 4 outlets, and we do roughly 1,500 hot drinks and 1,500 hot meals per day. Well, we wanted to be more sustainable for our waste, and as most of our catering waste is compostable, we thought it'd be a better idea to be able to do that on campus than having to expel extra energy and carbon by transporting it to a third-party facility.
So Roehampton use a Harp aerobic biodigester, which makes use of microorganisms and bacteria to break down all organic matter to create a nutrient-rich output. What vegware does is provide a one-bin alternative where everything, all your food packaging and all the food scraps can go into one bin. It then gets taken away by the university, put through their aerobic biodigester, and then you get a lovely nutrient-rich output that you can use on your flower beds. It's a very circular, localised solution, and it's one that I think the university should be very proud of.
Well, with our partner who maintains our grounds, we're using that to enrich a lot of soil around the campus to help our plants grow and to make it an even greener campus than it already is.
Our spectacular natural surroundings provide the platform for everything that we do, and we are devoted to the nurture and care of our beautiful home. My name is Thomas Breen, and I'm just one of the people driving sustainability at Adair Manor. Environmental sustainability is a challenge we know we have to continue to invest in far into our future. This resort is the pinnacle of Irish luxury, and luxury shouldn't be wasteful. We want to lead by example. We want sustainability to be right at the heart of exquisite luxury.
In a quiet corner of rural Ireland, an extraordinary project is changing many lives, human and equine.
Teaching people compassion through the care of animals has been proven in the States and has been proven in Australia, and we'll do our best to prove it here as well.
Some horses need a second chance, some people too.
This is Buddy. He's a Shetland, so he's 27 years old. My favourite part of the job is to see the joy in an animal's face of being treated right.
And here, by the walls of Castlereagh Prison, horses and men are giving each other just that.
She's a 3-year-old thoroughbred, so she is. Nice chestnut mare. Very, very good personality.
This is a story of rehabilitation and redemption. The story of the Castlereagh Prison Project. Horses of Hope.